what do you recommend to our English student to pick up the English lesson and to make every English student get more encouragement to learn English?
I just want to say one word.
Okay.
Practice more than you learn.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you very
Bye-bye.
much. Thank you. Hello, teacher.
Hi.
Okay.
How's it
How are
going?
you?
Good. And you?
I'm okay too.
Okay.
And can you tell me that's why your English is very stronger and especially for pronunciation is great. Okay. So first you can tell me how long have you been learning English and where did you start to learn English? Okay.
Actually, I cannot say that my English is great or my pronunciation is good, but just according to my experiences, when we study, we have to have a real goal or strong determination.
Okay.
And one thing that I want to tell you is that don't be shy when you speak. When you start to speak English, just think that you speak to the general people in simple language.
Okay.
Even though you make mistake.
Okay.
And pronunciation is also important when you study. I'm sure we cannot pronounce exactly like native speaker, but try to speak clearly and easy to be understood. And don't care much about grammar when you speak.
Okay.
For
Good.
example, you think yesterday it is grammar is about the past subject, verb 2. Okay, yesterday I went. So when you think about grammar too much, you will not be able to speak English fluently.
Okay.
So just speak it out, and speak it out.
Okay.
And I want to recommend you when you speak English, try to speak slowly. Don't try to speak fast. And spend your time every day.
Okay. So what is the most important that motivate you to learn English faster?
One thing that urge me or encourage me to work hard, to study. Actually, I can say I do not study hard, but I study smart.
Okay.
I just spend 1 hour per day for studying with teacher, but I spend many hours to practice by my own self.
Okay.
For example, I learn one sentence from my teacher. I practice it as much as I can. For example, one sentence, how long have you blah 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 blah. So you can make your own sentences. For example, how long have you learned English?
Okay.
How long have you been in Cambodia?
Okay.
How long have you known each other? How many hours have you practiced? Blah 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 blah. So just how long plus blah 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 you can make your own sentences.
Okay, we can make many sentences, right? Okay.
But remember your own sentences.
Okay.
For example, you learn from me and you copy my speech and then you speak it out. It's not your own sentences.
Okay.
This is my sentence.
Okay. And so you can tell me and everyone how can we remember vocabulary clearly?
How to remember vocabulary?
Yeah.
Just try to learn common vocabulary first.
Okay.
Because when we study English, we need to use it in daily life.
Okay.
So just learn some vocabulary which is very important for your life.
Okay.
For example, about daily activity, about health.
Okay.
About
Got it.
Just say common vocabulary. Don't try to learn technical word at the first time.
Okay.
You cannot use it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
And so, can you tell me more about what time that is the best way to remember the lesson? For example, like in the morning or at night. So, which is the best way that we can pick the time to learn and remember all the lesson clearly?
According to individual, but for my experiences, I practice 2 times.
2 times?
Yes, like before sleeping.
Okay.
I just review some vocabulary. For example, I learned 5 vocabulary today. Before sleeping, I review it. And after getting up, I review it again.
Okay.
So to do this every day, your English will be great. You will remember it.
So at least how many words or how many vocabulary that you remember per day?
For me, I just limit like at least 5 vocabulary.
Oh, okay.
New vocabulary.
Yeah.
So nowadays, even nowadays, I'm trying to learn English too. I read newspaper in the morning. It's the best time for me. Have a glass of coffee, read a newspaper to learn new vocabulary, and listen to a song.
Okay.
And when I meet a new word, I write it down and make it as my own sentences. And then that's it. It's very simple. But every day. Not just, okay, teacher, I'm trying hard today. And 1 month later, you start again. But no, every day, little by little, step by step. Okay?
Yeah. Many students, they say that they spend much time on English class and that they cannot speak and they cannot use English to everyone understand.
You just spend your times in the class. This is the way we call passive learner. A passive learner, they just study English only in the class.
Okay.
But for active learner, they spend very less time in the class, but they spend their own time a lot outside the class by practicing, speaking, use it in the real practice. So you study only in the class, it's only the lesson, not real practice. So outside the real time to test your ability.
Okay, so great. I just listened to you and get expensive experience because you are a great English teacher.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, and handsome teacher also, right?
That's it.
Okay, so the last and what do you recommend to our English student to pick up the English lesson and to make every English student get more encouragement to learn English?
I just want to say one word.
Okay.
Practice more than you learn.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.
The very first question is about your personal life.
Personal life?
Yes, yourself.
Oh, really?
And then they ask, vulnerable, have you ever been sad in your life? And if so, what do you do to deal with it? So, have you ever sad in your life?
Yeah, but you know why they ask this such question? You know,
because I think you are very interesting. So I think because general people, they are sad, and they just want to know, like, they see your smile, they see you are happy, and maybe they want to know, like, if you have any feeling like sad, hopeless in your life. So if so, how can you deal with that problem?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe people, when they saw me, they think that I'm always happy, smiling.
Yes.
But I'm a human being just like everyone else. So, yes, that is always happen for human. So, I'm too. Sometimes I'm sad as well.
Sad. Can you share with us how can you deal with it? One, like, hopeless and something like that.
I think the best way to get rid of sadness or something that we are not happy is to change the object.
To change the object.
Right. So what is object?
Things?
Think?
Story or like?
So, sometimes you are not happy with something. So those things are the object of the mind. So if you dwelling in those objects, you will be not happy. Will be sad. So we say like drama, right?
Yeah,
so,
drama, dramatic.
Yeah, drama and not happy. So if we change the object, I think it will be happy, and it is my way as well that I can deal with when I got sad. Yeah, I can say I got sad as well, but not much, I think, sometimes, because as a Buddhist life, monk life, we have been trained a lot in Buddha Dharma, in Buddha's teaching.
Yeah.
So, for example, when you got sad with your lover, So
My lover.
yeah, your lover, not my lover, right? Your lover, not my lover, right? So sometimes you don't think to that something that happened make you unhappy, you know. So you think of something else. So if you got some books around you, you just take those books to read. Yeah, do something else.
So according to your answer, how about like some people when they are sad, they want to drink alcohol to forget that one, and sometimes they listen to a song, sad song, to release it. Is it a good way, or how about your idea about that one?
Yeah.
Is it a way to change?
In our perspective, it's not a good way, but for their perspective, they said it's good way. That's why they do it. Right?
Change object, right?
It's changing object is the same, right? It's correct one. The changing object is correct, but that object is correct or not?
I see.
That object is good or not? That object is beneficial or not?
Yes.
It's
like,
not beneficial, right?
Yeah, like
it's not useful for those people.
you're right. We change the object like sometimes we are sad and we go to drink alcohol,
Right.
and when we drive we get like dangerous thing.
Right.
This is change object too, but it can forget only for short time,
Right.
and it may cause dangerous as well.
Right.
I see.
So
Change object.
change the
In
object.
short, change object.
Change objects.
Change
but
the right
what is
object.
the object? Is a right object or wrong object?
I see.
Right.
Oh, very great answer.
Yeah, it's very short. I also practice it when I got something that I'm not happy. I got sad sometimes. Yeah. But one thing that I want to suggest our young people, even monks as well, sometimes
Venerable monk as
monks
well.
as well, because sometimes when they got sad, they want to express it publicly, you know,
I see.
like on internet,
Yeah.
on social media, Facebook, or anything. So it's not the good one, you know. As we are a monk, this thing we're supposed not to do it. Yeah, for the young people, maybe they can express their feeling, but if we are mature, we're supposed not to do. For example, when you got a family, you are a husband, and then you always express it, oh, I'm sad, I'm not happy, I can do this and can do that. Like a very weak one, so they will be hopeless as well.
Yes.
So this thing that we have to reconsider.
I see. So in short, your answer is that when you feel sad or when everyone feels sad, according to your idea, your own style, you change the object
Right.
to do the right object.
Right object.
And then we will forget it. Yeah, because in the Dharma, everything is changeable,
Yeah.
impermanent. So our sadness will not
right.
last forever.
Last forever.
We have to,
That's why
something
Buddhism
right.
can help us a lot.
yeah,
We think of anicca, impermanent.
yes.
Nothing lasts forever.